Watch out, ma'am. She will jump on you.
Hey,
Roxy! Roxy!
Karaoke sana kami, BIYENAN, pero pagod ako guys. Yun yung plan ko sana.
You are like something, hun. It's not true. You're lying. What? I don't get it. Explain in Bisaya.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. Papunta dito si Tami mamaya. Puntahan ko yung biyanan ko early. Let's go out first. My babies want to go out. Kumain sila ng breakfast. So, gusto nilang maglabas. It's nice and sunny. Pero mamaya ulan daw. Uulan daw mamaya. Kaloka. Yan, naalis ako. Maginaw-ginaw today. So, kailangan ko magdala ng jacket. Yeah, dalhin natin si biyanan dito. Monday, hindi ako nag-vlog for weekend, guys. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng weekend. And, yeah, kailangan kong kasi wala na ako masyadong vlog. Wala na ako masyadong video kasi nag-upload ako everyday, diba? But anyway, so, punta si Tami dito. Maghintay ako sa therapist kasi papunta daw doon para ma-exercise. And then, pagkatapos niyan, dalhin ko si biyanan dito para makita niya yung yung mga alaga namin. Para makita niya kasi matagal-tagal na din hindi niya nakikita. Hubs, come down here. He's upstairs, guys. Andun siya sa taas talaga. Siya lang yung pwedeng pumunta sa taas. Siya lang yun kasi sobrang smart. Tignan niyo kung saan siya dadaan. Look. Tignan niyo kung saan siya dadaan. Come over, come. Come here. Bug. Dadaan, look. Kitams? Ang smart, siya lang yun. Siya lang yung pwedeng pumunta doon. Tatalon siya dito from here to there. Kapag lalabas naman siya dito sa mga anik-anik. Buti na lang yung katawan niya is kasya doon. So wag ka na masyadong kakain para hindi ka magtambok. Okay, hindi ka mataba-taba. Matabi. I love my little boy. I love that man so much. I love my little boy. And kapag tumatakbo siya, guys, nakakatawa talaga yung takbo niya. Yung takbo niya. Itong mga laruan, dinadala talaga ni Dimples dito. Sabi ko na huwag dadalhin sa labas. Si Dimples talaga. Hindi. Laruin mo yan dyan. Grabe yung inom ko ng tubig kaninang umaga. Inom ako ng inom. Yun, nakadalawang baso ako. So yun, hugas time. Anyway, guys. See you na lang later, guys, ha? Tignan nyo naman yun, guys. Si Freddy, andun sa likuran ng sasakyan ko. Masaya. Sobrang happy ni Fred. Freddy! Kalokang Freddy. Ang saya lang niya. Kaya kapag umaalis kami, tinitignan namin yung ilalim ng sasakyan. Baka andun siya. She's having her breakfast. Mama.
Did you get him?
Who?
Freddy?
No, he's laying down. Okay, let's go. Oh, your seatbelt. What are you whining? Watch out, ma'am. She will jump on you.
Hey,
Roxy! Roxy!
No.
Behave!
No.
Roxy!
No. No.
So happy. Happy dog. Roxy, Mom.
No.
Roxy, put this in here.
No.
Hey.
No. Yes. No. You. Who's jumping?
Roxy. Roxy, behave.
No.
Roxy, listen to me. Oh, hard-head. Sit. I said sit, not jump. Sit. baby. Hello. Stop! Ginoo po ni mga bungang ni. Si daddy lang gani nang niabot. Mura na mo gikuan. Bilinog ni Kibuloy. Hoy, hindi. Mura na kayo nilinog ni Kibuloy, ha? Daddy lang gani yung umabot. Kibuloy na yung ano nyo. Reaction ninyo. Is it close? Ha? Da 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 tami. Da 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 tami moy moy. Hoy, hoy, tami moy.
Ayan.
Hello. How are you?
Hey, puppies.
Let's see kung ano yung binili. Kasi sabi ko, bibili lang ng isang ano. So, bumili siya ng gusto ko. Mixed vegetables. Dalawa. And, hey! What is that, Rox? Hala, nag-stop talaga siya sa Walmart. Walmart ba to? I knew it. Walmart. Nag-stop talaga siya sa Walmart. Turkey loaf and gravy. Uy, bumili siya ng mga ganito. Ito ay para sa aso at pusa. So, there is a breaking news right now. Something airplane, a helicopter crashes in Midtown Manhattan.
Really?
Yeah. I think it's on top of the building or in the street. I think it's on top of the building. It's like reminds you of 9/11. Magluluto lang ako mamaya na guys. Maaga pa. It's 2:57 ng umaga. So, ng hapon. So, it's still early. You know you have that one and then you never used it in the house. Did you use it?
In the other house?
Yeah?
No, yeah, I'm on here. I did one here.
Okay, guys.
I go sit outside on the porch.
You sitting out there?
Yeah. The whole porch is here.
Ay, na-color this. Na-color this dog.
Oh, Roxy wants to see. She said, I haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah. I know. It's been a long time. I finally get to see it. Yes, I finally get to see
She says, we look for you every time a car comes here. We look. Every time. Okay, that's it. Down now.
Hi, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Has a bunch of those things to make a fence. It's got pallets of them.
Oh.
Poles to make a fence over a poultry farm.
Really?
Yeah, it's got a stack of them.
Where is that?
You know, the apple orchard. So that you drive, you drive by.
Okay. Well, how many chickens kind of you got?
These are breasts and these are thighs.
Okay, you have to close that.
Look at this, they're on string.
Oh, 4 o'clock na guys. Nagutom ako guys. So, kain tayo guys. Alam nyo, yung kakainin ko is rice. And yung tabasco and spam. Kakainin ko.
Okay, here's it again.
Nag-ano ako ng candle. Sobrang bango nito, guys. Matagal na namin ito na bili ni Tami. Iwan ko kung saan namin ito nabili. Nakalimutan ko. Nabili namin to Yankee candle. Midsummer night. Ang bango. As in. Midsummer night. Yankee candle. Magluto ako, guys, 4 o'clock na para mamaya yung pasta naman yung lutuin natin. Ito yung mga mixed vegetables ko lang yung lutuin. Anyway, si Tami, nag-barbecue dun si Tami dun. Alam niyo naman yan. Maulan-ulan, di ba, Lok? Basa. Ulan. Hindi ko na siya hugasan kasi ito kasi siya, guys. Hugas na siya. Malinis na siya. Magkaraoke sana kami. Bibiyanan, pero pagod ako, guys. Yun yung plano ko sana. Magkaraoke kami. Kanta-kanta, diba? Pero,
Katulugon talaga ako. Sleepy. Can you start cooking already?
Yeah, well, I'm just cooking the chicken. That's off the diet, so.
Ang ganda talaga ng mixed vegetables. Ash in. How you drinking?
Big guy.
Scotch.
Yeah, I got out of here, but I don't want to.
Masarap talaga pag ulay, no?
Masarap ito i-chop suey kaso. Paano ba mag-chop suey? Nilagyan ko ng toyo na. Do you like the rain? You like the rain?
No.
Oh, you don't like the rain?
I screwed up.
What?
The little pack of chicken thighs was boneless, skinless. These have bones. So instead of the 3-pound pack, I got the 4-pound pack. It was a mistake. They look like the same bag.
So, don't make a fire over here, huh?
They had 3-pound, 4-pound, 5-pound,
Tommy?
and 10-pound. I'm not making no fires.
Han?
Yeah.
Oh, the candle, it smells so good. It smells so good, the candle, guys. Iba talaga yung candle kapag ano yun, pag mabango yung candle ba, ang resulta, yung amoy ng bahay is sobrang bango. Iba yung mabibigay na amoy. Tutuin lang natin siya ng mabilisan. And then yun. Nagluluto ako mabango. Ang candle din, ang bango. Parang nag-aaway yung dalawang amoy. Ang ganda ng ulan, guys. Ang ganda pakinggan.
Gotta fix that one there.
Ha?
It's rotting the wood.
Which one?
See where the water's from down here and over there?
Yeah?
Come down, it's getting into the wood.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Gotta keep that pulling apart.
Oh, yeah, that one over here.
Here.
So, all of it?
Yeah.
Hala. So, it's not supposed to be drip in here, right?
No. It must have been like that for years. They never did it right to begin with. It should be coming into here. It goes down the gutter and goes down that pipe.
Oh.
It's not supposed to be coming down here at all. It means they didn't do it right. So now we're going to take it, and the wood underneath is probably all rotted. Got to be replaced, the wood under there.
Okay. Do we have to... Bibi, the gutter is so dirty.
You what?
The gutter.
Not that.
Do you know how to fix that?
Yeah, it's pain in the neck, yeah. Only really pain in the neck when I put the siding on.
Hala, somebody pee over there. Look at it. Like she doesn't care. Like she's peeing. Good girl, Roxy. Good girl. It's raining. Oh.
Good girl.
She does. Good girl, manaoy.
Good girl. You're a little soggy, but good girl.
It's wet. So, after Tommy cooking the chicken, guys, nagluto na siya ng steak. Ito yung dinner namin. Stiko. Look, Tommy feed me a small piece.
Yeah. That's what you told me. Cut that piece off for you.
It's nice to listen the rain, right?
Yeah.
It's not that cold. It's raining. It's nice and peaceful. Turn the light. It's not dark yet. So why you turn it on?
More light.
Huh?
Really getting there.
Tommy's favorite. I like this time. Like it's raining, right, Han?
Yeah. A little thunder lightning will be nice today.
Yeah, no. I'm not gonna go out here if it's lightning and thundering. The view is nice up there. It's foggy up there. Roxy's waiting for his treat. Her treat. Yeah, Misty's inside, guys. He still have to eat dinner. Si BIYENAN doon. Tumitingin lang sa paligid. Why you love barbecue? Like doing barbecue? Huh?
Both guys like to cook on a grill. We don't like the stove. We like the outdoors. Cook on a fire. It's a guy thing. We like to cook on fire.
Not just all the guy, Han. It's you.
Oh, most guys. Camping, build a fire out of sticks, cook on that.
Camping and it's raining now. No. Raining camping. It's nice to camp, but it's like not
We
raining.
have tents.
Yeah, how you can do barbecue if there is if it's raining?
You do it under a tree.
Han, it's raining.
No matter, unless it's raining really, really hard, the tree limits the rain, so it won't put the fire out. If you have a good campfire, a little bit of rain out of it.
Kinuha ko yung ano guys kahapon guys. Naglilinis ako dito. Kinuha ko yung bok choy at saka doon. So nagpa-plant ako ng bagong yung okra at saka eggplant. Let's see kung tutubo ba yun.
My wife has a black thumb.
No, Han.
Black thumb.
No.
Black thumb.
You are like something, Han. It's not true. You're lying. I have a really good thumb. It's just when it's just that doesn't survive. There's no filter in there, fertilizer, whatever.
Black thumb.
Yeah, right. If it's black thumb, they're all dead. But no, they're all growing, and it's just the ground is no fertilizer. They're all growing, but it's really thin. Hindi na ako makaupo. Hindi na ako makaupo. Hindi na ako makaupo. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, may demonyo sa mata ko. Oh, may demonyo. May demonyo yung mata ko.
So I got a 4-pound pack, but it wasn't boneless and skinless, so it wasn't the same. Pasta, sausage. It's not what you want to do.
I love you. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I do. I do love you. I do love you. Kahimos, kahimos. Nanggigil ako sa'yo. Nanggigil. 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 Mama loves you.
Because I know how much you love cars. Because you love me to car. What's that?
Guess I'll leave this stuff here. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, bag.
That little cutie man.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye to Grandma. Grandma, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the bagan.
See you again sometime soon.
Is my slipper over there? No, I look for it and I cannot find it. So.
When was the last time you saw it?
The last time I saw it, long time ago. Okay, guys, I probably will drop you, and that's it. Goodbye for you.
Did you wet it?
Yeah.
If it drops, I'll try and get it wet. So the other one didn't suction cup. How did the other one work? If the other one didn't go in a suction cup, how did it work?
It's for the cell phone.
Oh, cell phone. This is one you ordered through the mail?
This one I ordered this long time ago.
Oh, yeah, Amazon or something?
Yeah. Why you need it?
No, I'm just wondering.
Huh?
I'm just wondering.
Let's go home. So Tommy is working tomorrow early. So Manhattan. He's supposedly off, but of course.
They say the only thing worse than having to be at work is not having work to be at.
What? I don't get it. Explain in Bisaya.
I can't explain in Bisaya, but I can explain it in English.
Okay, explain in English.
People don't like going to work. So the only thing worse than having to go to work is not having work to go to.
So the worst thing is no job.
Right.
Simple. Simple. So kung sa Bisaya pa, daghan dili ganahan mo trabaho, pero ang pinaka dili way lami. Dili way lami. Ang pinaka ano is kanang wala kay trabaho, mao na pinaka worst. Pinaka worst. Sa Bisaya, I don't know the Bisaya worst. Worst. Grabe. Mao na pinaka grabe yung walay trabaho. Ganon. Kasabot, kasabot.
Battery for a doorbell. What is she kidding? Run a freaking wire.
And it's really confusing. It's like it's a doorbell.
But she never had a doorbell.
Oh, they never had a
So they had a
doorbell.
door knocker.
But it's hard to put.
Which means there's no power there. No, not really hard to put. You could actually just drill one little tiny hole through the door frame.
Yeah.
And run it and plug it into the wall. Plug a transformer into the wall. I mean, if you want to run it into a doorbell downstairs that actually rings the bell inside the house, because clearly that one doesn't ring a bell in the house. But even then, she could just drill it right to the wall, and then they have a remote doorbell that will ring inside the house.
So it's just really a phone, and the whole house doesn't make a noise. Is that what the
I'm
doorbell
guessing, unless she already has a remote piece on it. But running power to it's simple.
I like.
Yes, it'd be a problem to run it into the basement because now you got to open up the wall and drill down into the floor.
Yeah.
Well, because
Nothing.
there is no basement under the garage. There's nothing under the garage.
I
It's
know.
not like you could drill down.
Yeah, but so what now?
Camera there.
Huh?
You just want the camera there. Or camera to the garage.
So that means that how about the chime? We cannot hear inside. Only in the phone.
I can put a remote chime and link them all to that. That's easy enough.
Hi guys. Hello, yung mukha ko ba sobrang ng haggard. Haggard na guys, masakit na din yung lips ko. But anyway guys, iina namin itong vlog. Nakarating na kami dito. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Good night guys, good night. Bye-bye.